Cleanup recommendation on Windows 11 is a feature to automate the process to identifying of the content you can delete to help free up hard drive space on the computer. The feature is part of the storage settings and it automatically detects and displays the amount of space that Windows 11 can be reclaimed by deleting certain large or unused files, uninstalling apps that you do not use, and clearing copies of files already uploaded to OneDrive. Windows 11 cannot delete files and apps for you, but if the device is running out of space, the feature allows you to select and delete unused files and remove apps and make more room for other content. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to use cleanup recommendations on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open settings on Windows 11. Click on System. Click the storage page on the right side. Under the storage management section, click the cleanup recommendation option. Click on large or unused file. Select the suggested file to free up storage space on Windows 11. Click the cleanup button. Click continue. Click on file sync to the cloud. Select the files available locally since they are already in the cloud and click the cleanup button. Click on unused apps. Select the apps you would like to remove to make more space on the device. Click the cleanup button. Click continue. Once you complete the step, the cleanup recommendation feature will delete the files to make more space to store other important files, and depending on the amount of data, the performance of Windows 11 should improve noticeably. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe